If you are gaming on Linux, two names keep popping up: Nobara Linux and Garuda Linux. Both promise an incredible experience, but they take very different approaches. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down fast. Nobara is a Fedora-based created by glorious Agrol, the same development behind Proton GE. Think of it as a Fedora tuned for gamers. It ships with a pre-configured kernels, drivers, and gaming tools, which you would normally spend hours setting up. The goal is simple: make Linux gaming easy and accessible, even for newcomers. Garuda Linux, on the other hand, is built on Arc and leans into speed, aesthetics, and customization. It offers multiple desktop environments, automatic GPU driver installs, and access to massive Arc users. Repository: for power users, it's a playground with endless flexibility. When it comes to installation, Nobara wins for simplicity. It's a beginner-friendly and works out of the box. Garuda's setup is more flexible, but it's best suited to users who enjoy tailoring feed detail. On gaming performance, both delivers. Nobara prioritizes a smooth experience straight from install, while Garuda pushes bleeding-edge performance with Arc's rolling updates and emulator support. As for stability, Nobara plays it safe with reliable updates, while Garuda lets you choose: stick with stability or chase the latest features. So, what's the verdict? Nobara is perfect if you want a ready-to-go gaming system that just works. Garuda is for those who crave customization and don't mind tinkering for peak performance. Both crush Windows in gaming. Both are free. So the choice comes down to your style. Which one are you going to try? Drop your pick in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Happy gaming!